Amniotic fluid is the yellowish substance that is found inside the amniotic sac, and it is the liquid in which the baby floats while inside the uterus during the pregnancy. One of the important roles of amniotic fluid is to safeguard and protect the baby by absorbing the mother's movements. Nevertheless, the amniotic fluid also helps maintain a constant temperature, and it further allows the baby to move freely around inside the womb for proper bone and muscle development. Additionally, amniotic fluid plays a very important role in the proper development of the baby's lungs. Amniotic fluid is constantly renewed throughout the pregnancy. The baby inhales it, but also produces urine that becomes a significant part of the amniotic fluid. As a result, any significant changes in the amount of amniotic fluid may signal a maternal or fetal issue, potentially leading to severe complications during pregnancy.